What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel where we cover trading. Alright, it's your boy T Analyst. Guys, I'm gonna be explaining to you guys how you guys can trade, break and retest, you know, so you know how to get into a market, how to get out of a market. This is really important because some people have this thing where like they buy at resistance and they sell at support. And I used to have that issue too until I learned break and retest. All right. Basically, for example, um, right now if you look at this chart, right, we're at a weekly high, which means that this is how high the price went for that week. If I went to this weekly time frame, we can see that we went this high and now we went red. I'm anticipating we come back and at least fill some of this gap right here. At least fill some of this, which would be a big move. But obviously we don't know yet because we need to see how these candles are going to start printing out. But that's my bias right now. Now as far as break and retest, right? A good example is this example. So let me just delete this. What happened, right, is we had a high, right? We broke the high. So now all we're doing is waiting for price, right, to come back in this area. That's it. So you come to the market today, right? You're on a 30-minute time frame, and you see price take this high out. You're like, okay, I want to be biased towards buys because we're taking out highs. But every high that gets taken out was once resistance. So that area that we broke now needs to be tested to see if there's some sort of support there. You know what I'm saying? That's when we wait to watch price tap back into our zone, right? And not only does it tap back into our zone, we don't close bearish below it and the next candle is actually green. We have to at some point look at this confluence, take a chance, put the stop loss behind that wick, and then we just target this high right here as a TP. And then look, it got smashed just like it just did right here. So it got smashed off of break and retest. Okay, there's plenty more of them. Let me see. So we can use this one for an example too. Now, sometimes a break and retest is like this is one. You can catch it even on the same side where like it'll break, right? But sometimes instead of it coming back like it did here, it'll do one of these. It'll break like this, and then it'll retest this area, and then it'll just take off. It won't even pull back. But regardless, when something closes above bullish like this area is now needs to be shown as some sort of support. This area needs to now become support. That should be the note. If you took anything from this video, when we break this high like this area should now be some sort of support. And if it's not, then that means the trade is invalid. All right, the trade is invalid. Now you probably seen, oh, but we closed outside the box. Yes, we did, but the very next candle, liquidity swept, and then we had a high right here. All right, our main high that it really retested, right? It came here. Regardless, okay, we was in a little bit of drawdown. It's okay because we already seen the break. We came back and we got into this area, and now we target this high. It got smashed. It's a winning trade. Trade got smashed off of a break and retest. Smash. You know, you can leave a runner, whatever you want to do. And then look what happened here. We broke this one. It retested here. We took this to take out this high. Smashed. So it's constantly break and retesting, guys. This is constantly happening. So once you guys understand that, you could just keep trading and break and retest. You could do this on any time frame. I recommend 15 to 30-minute time frames though. That's just me. All right, now where are we at right now? For example, right now, right, based off of what I just told you guys, right, this is why I'm T Analyst. I love to analyze charts, all right? I love analyzing charts. That's how I got into this. That's why I call myself T Analyst. It's still early in my YouTube career. There might be a chance I change my name, but for now, I think I want to keep T Analyst. I like it, and it kind of fits what I do. All right, guys. So, we analyzing charts over here. You should want to analyze a chart before you even go into a chart. That's why I analyze. So, for example, based off of what I just told you guys, right? This is a high, correct, right? This is a high. Let me just delete this. I don't like my chart all over the place. This is the high, right? This is a level that I just know. I'll get more deep into this in another video. This is a level that I know we will bounce from. But this bounce isn't taking us back to where I'm at. This bounce is probably to create another little lower high, and then we dump. But this bounce is the area that needs to be tested as some sort of support. This area, okay? Now, what we do is once price gets here, it'll do what it does, and we're expecting some sort of bounce back up. But now, all we do is wait. And how do we know this? Because it done it every other time. Any other time it breaks, right here. Every time it breaks, retest. It breaks. It really took off this time. We get a nice little retracement. This is how we trade break and retest, guys. All right. Let it break. See it. Wait for it to come back. Let it create support. Then it takes off again. Okay, guys. It's just like when it breaks resistance. It'll break. It'll come back to test to see if it's resistance. Then it comes back down. This is how we do it. Look. This area broke. Okay. If you was patient enough, you want to see something come back here. Something. Look. This candle came right back to this area. It got tested as support. It confirmed. Price took off. That is how you trade break and retest, guys. Simple. If you wait and you're patient enough, you would catch these moves all the time. Some people aren't patient, so they're buying that support. I mean, they're selling that support and they're buying that resistance all the time. All right, guys. So if y'all learned something quick from this video, make sure you guys leave a like. Make sure you guys subscribe. I'm going to be dropping videos like this all the time. I'm trying to be more consistent for you guys too. So bear with me because I'm in the markets as well. I actually have an account that I'm trying to pass right now on Funded Traders. So as you guys can see, man, we are in these markets. We're not playing. So right now I'm actually up. So, yeah, man, I keep you guys updated. But yeah, let's get to this bag, guys. All right, it's been your boy T. I catch you guys later. Let's keep on catching these pips.